Check out this channel. It was created just 5 months ago and gained a whopping 500,000 subscribers. And take a look at this channel as well. Even they are doing pretty well when we look at their numbers. They just create similar type of would you rather videos on their channel, which is just a quiz type of videos that is easy to create if done correctly with the help of AI. As per Social Blade, their earnings is showing a lot higher, but I assume they would be making not less than $2,000 a month, which is great as we don't need to do a lot of hard work. Special thanks to AI. Don't worry at all. As always, we will guide you on everything related to this topic on this video. On our channel, whenever we upload any video, we research it for days and then put it on our channel to ensure that the teachings we will share is accurate. That's the only reason why we can't upload every day on this channel. But our goal is give correct and better knowledge so that you can benefit from it. Don't miss out on our future videos, as I have many different ideas and niche related to YouTube and Instagram theme pages which I will share on this channel in the future videos. Let's get started on this topic now. We are going to start by creating YouTube Shorts. So let's ask ChatGPT to generate a table containing 20 thought-provoking questions for engaging viewers and participants. I will also write, present the questions in table format. As a result, ChatGPT gives me 20 questions with the percentage of each option. Now, for the next step, open Canva and choose the mobile video option from the dashboard. Then press R on your keyboard to add a rectangle. Now, cover half the portion with one rectangle. Then click on the plus sign and duplicate it. Add this into the remaining part. Now, to change the color, click on the top and choose a contrasting color for both parts. Then press R again and add another rectangle to divide this two-part. Enlarge this and leave it in the middle. Choose black as the color. Then press the CA key on your keyboard to add a circle. Make it black and position it in the middle of the page. Then after, click on Text and choose the default text box. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy option A, and paste it here. Choose the fonts and make it smaller. After that, click on Effect. Choose the outline effect, select the black color, and then increase the thickness. By this way, it looks attractive and readable. Now, duplicate the box. Go back to ChatGPT, copy option B, and paste it here. Now, for the image, click on Elements, scroll down, switch to the Frame section, and select the tablet frame. Enlarge this and duplicate it for the other section. Then add or in this circle. After that, group the text and frame of lower part and click on Show Timing. Since both questions won't display at the same time, place the arrow at 1.5 seconds and trim the blue line up to 1.5 seconds. This way, our second question will appear after 1.5 seconds. Now increase the length of this page to 7 seconds. After that, click on the first question, trim the end part up to 5.5 or 5 seconds. Do the same for the second text box and trim the end part up to 5 seconds. This way, the questions will disappear when the percentage is shown. Now let's add a percentage. Duplicate the text box, go back to ChatGPT, copy the percentage of option A, and paste it here. Make it bigger and choose green for the highest percentage and red for the lower. Then set the timings of the percentage by placing the arrow where the question ends. Start the percentage line from this point. Follow the same thing for option B percentage. This way, the percentage will appear in the last 1.5 seconds. Now, to make video more engaging, let's add a timer. Go to Elements and search for the timer. Go to the video and choose one. I will choose this one, which is about 7 seconds. After that, select the circle frame and place this video into the frame. Position the timer in the middle of the page. Then click on Show Timing and start the timer after 2.5 seconds and end it before 1.5 seconds. means end it before the percentage will be shown. Now let's add sound effects to make it more engaging. For this, go to Audio and search for the TikTok timer. Choose one and add it like this. Then add the whip whoosh sound at the beginning of the video. Also add this sound again when the second question appears. Finally, choose a bell sound for the percentage and add it after the timer track like this. Perfect. Now, let's move to the next step. As we know, audio cannot be created in bulk. So for this, hack you can use is this. Select all the elements and delete them. Download this blank video with sound effects. Then, undo all the elements and upload the blank video that we downloaded. Now delete all the soundtracks and set this blank video as the background. See, now we don't have to add a soundtrack to any video. Now we need images for all the questions. So go back to the ChatGPT and read the question and search for a photo related to this in the element section. Then click on these three dots. Select the Add to Folder and choose Create New. Now name the folder option A. Repeat the same process for the second question and add it into option A folder. By this way, add the rest of the images in option A folder. After completing this, go back to the ChatGPT and choose the first question of option B and search the photo. Then again, click on these three dots and create a new folder. Name it option B and do the same process for the rest of the option B questions. Now it's time for the bulk creation. Go to Apps section and search Bulk. Select the Bulk Creation option and click on Enter Data manually. Now clear the table. Copy the question and percentage data from ChatGPT. Add 3 more text boxes and paste the data. Now add 2 image boxes. Click on the first box and select option A folder. Now search the image according to the question and add it one by one. Do the same thing for option B images. After completing this, click on Done. Now right-click on the first question. Choose Connect Data option and select option B. Now select the second question and connect with option B. Same as connecting percentage text with option A% and option B%. Then select the image frame and connect with image 1 and image 2. Alright, I think 8 questions is perfect for the YouTube Shorts, so I will remove 2 questions from it. Then click on Generate 9 designs. So our 8 questions are ready. Now the next step is the voiceover, but before that, let's ask ChatGPT to combine the 2 phrases for me to read together by adding or no, table, or percentage. Then copy the sentence and paste it into the voiceover tool. I will use 11 Labs for this because it is the perfect tool for generating natural-looking sound. Alright, now choose your voice and hit Generate.
Start a business from scratch or work a stable 9-to-5 job.
Perfect. Let's download this. By this way, generate all the voiceover track one by one, or you can also generate all the sentences at once and split it into the Canva. Now, upload the voiceover track and add it into the video. Just for example, I will upload only 2 tracks, but you have to upload it on all the pages.
Start a business from scratch or work a stable 9-to-5 job. Learn a new language or master a musical.
Now it's time to create longer videos. But before that, give this prompt to ChatGPT. This time, I will ask 20 questions without a percentage because longer videos usually don't include percentages. Now, go back to Canva, click on the magic switch, and select the video format. Choose Copy and Resize. Cover half of the portion with yellow and the rest with blue. Set this divider in the middle of the page. After that, follow all the processes we did before while creating short videos. Add a timer, questions and images using a bulk creation process. Also, add sound effects using the same hack I showed you before. To add a voiceover, give this prompt to ChatGPT. Combine these two phrases by adding "or", and also add funny sentences that show personal preference, explanation, or questions. Provide an example to understand it. Then copy these sentences, go back to 11 Labs, choose Adam's voice, and generate the track. Generate all the sentences and add them to your video. Also, add an intro to the long video. Search Spiral Background in the search box, where you will find many templates. Choose one and search for a quiz in the search box. Add one of these graphics, include a text box, and write your channel name. Add animation to both elements. Duplicate this page. Search for a fast food group photo and add one. Choose one of these texts, add the background effect, and write, "Would you rather?" Duplicate the text box and place it here. Then, write Food Edition. To encourage the audience to subscribe to your channel, add an animated subscriber icon. Lastly, add transitions between all the pages that look attractive. Now, let's have a look.
Maskman. Today we are going to play Would You Rather Quiz, Food Edition. So please make sure to subscribe my channel for amazing quiz like this. Would you rather choose pizza or sushi? Both are tasty, but I prefer sushi. What about you? Pizza has its own slice of my heart. Would you rather have French fries or onion rings? Tough call. Fries are my crispy obsession, but onion rings have that golden charm. Would you rather indulge in ice cream or chocolate cake? Dessert dilemma. Ice cream is cool, but chocolate cake is a sweet symphony. Which one sings to your sweet tooth?
It's just an example video, so I only added 3 questions. For a long video, you should add a minimum of 20 questions. So this is how you can create many videos with the help of AI. I would suggest not to miss out on our future videos, as we have really planned to create some amazing videos in the future. Also, if you have any doubts, please comment down below, and we will try our best to help you.